Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be telling you how to spam your friend's email using Python. It's one of the easiest way that you can go for. First of all, you want to import the SMTP library using this command, using import SMTP line. Then you want to go for a loop because you want to send many files, not one. And rather, I will choose to go for the X range. You know why? Because X range is a bit faster than the normal range because it compiles the things more. So you want to write the amount of mail you want to send. I won't do that much, just this much will be good. Next of all, after this, you want to use the SMTP library like this: SMTPLIB, oops, LMP and SMTP. Then this bracket requires two things. First of all will be the SMTP server that you want to go for. If you are working on Gmail like me, then you want to write this. And after this, the second thing it requires is a port. Port will be 587 as usual. Then you want to write this mail.hello, because hello is a function of the mail of the SMTP library. You see here we introduced it as mail to make it easier. Now start TLS and the function mail.login. Now this also requires two things. First will be your username of Gmail, and second will be your password. I know this sounds very sad to write your password here, but still it is, you have to. The next thing you have to do is to go to this less secure app access and on it. And next is this. I'll include the link in the description. Now after this is done, you have to log in it again in your incognito tab. After this much is done, next you have to send the mail. Even this requires three parameters. First will be your mail, which will in my case is username.gmail.com. Next is the receiver's mail, and the final will be the content you want to write, like hey there, and the last thing is to close it using a parameter. Oh sorry, shit. Yeah, better. Now after you do all this, surprisingly your code is done. This is all what you have to do to make such a code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to me.